everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your old posts on Facebook. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open Facebook and tap on top right your profile icon. After that, click on setting and privacy. Again, click on setting. After that, here you can see scroll down, and here you can see scroll down, and here click on activity log. Here you can see, click on this activity log. After that, click on this. After that, scroll down, and here you can see your Facebook activity. Click on this. After that, here you can see your post, your comments. Click on this post. Here you can see your all. Here you can see my all Facebook posts and my all with now here click on this filter icon. Here you can see, click on this filter icon. After that, click on categorize. After that, here you can see your all post photos and videos. Click on this. After that, here you can see your all my posts, videos, and my old posts and my recent posted on Facebook. In this way you can check your old posts and videos on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.